Hello. Quick review on SVBony medium dovetail clamp. I plan to use this in my DIY harmonic mount to attach telescope. Clamp is made of anodized aluminium and wedge is brass. In the middle there is standard 1¼ inch camera mount thread. Finishing quality seems nice. It seems to be sturdy enough for my use, which is max 10 kilograms payload. The square part is 6 centimeters times 6 centimeters. In addition to camera thread, it has 6 holes for attaching. 2 of them are 8.5 millimeters. Rest for our 6.5 millimeters. What I also like is that the clamp screw has enough reach to hold a smaller guide scope wedge also. Final verdict, I find this to be very good for its price, a bit above €20 and suitable for my use. Thanks for watching.